Hello people, MellowPuff here, and today I am doing a toy review. Yay! And you probably know what I'm reviewing because you've seen the thumbnail and the title. But yeah, just show you guys now. And yeah, just Merry Christmas. Yay! Okay, 3, 2, 1. There we go. Yay. So let's take a look at the box. So first we have the front of the box, which it is from the Explore Equestria line, which Pinkie Pie's Doughnut shop on it. And Pinkie Pie with birthday gifts. Pony stuff. Yeah, she comes with, I think that's some basket of invitations, some donuts on a plate, balloons, party cannon, and then this big house thingy. Okay, let's look at the back. Take the camera off. So yeah guys, I'm holding the camera now, and here is the back. And it has a picture of the set and all of the stuff it comes with. So yeah, the balloons, party cannon, cakes, and donuts and invitations and stuff. Here's a very photoshopped version of Pinkie Pie. Yeah, and in the background it has the shop. And it shows that you can go to the store and bring it anywhere. Yay! Yeah, and there's just a logo. Different languages. Yeah. There's a scanner thing and Facebook. And you have to be 3 years or older to play with this. No, 4 years. And yeah, Hasbro and yeah, the logo again, it says Pinkie Pie, she throws a party at the donut shop. Okay. Then the little design down there. Yeah, let's just open up this thing. Okay, let's open up this thing. Okay, let's see. We have Cabbage Cabbage. Okay, so yeah guys, I got the back off and let's do this! Well, that was very graceful. Now things are falling! This is a mess. Okay, where's the things that fell? Here it is. Okay, so let me get this stuff all organized. Okay guys, so I have everything out of the box and all organized, and yeah. Yeah, sorry if my sleeves are gonna get in the way. I have them rolled up, but they're starting to get uncomfortable. So yeah. So first off, we have this cake dress thing. And of course, it's only half of it, which that's the thing that Hasbro was doing at the time this came out. And yeah, so it can go on Pinkie Pie like that. And yeah, can you not whine, please, dog? Can you not whine, doggy? Yeah, and it only shows half of it, which is really annoying. So that's that. And here is her party cannon, or at least half of it. So yeah, I can hook up to her stuff like that. Yeah, be like, pew pew, shoot, shoot, I kill you all. Yeah, and I finally figured out what these were. They are earrings, donut earrings for Pinkie Pie. Yeah, they look kind of weird, but yeah. It kind of looks like one of those 80s people with the big ring earrings. Yeah, that's that, and here's a close-up of them. Yeah, and here's a party hat. Cutting out it backwards. Yeah, need to zoom out. So yeah, there's their party hat, and well, that's cake on it. A little candle. Yeah. And here's some balloons that can hook up to her back. And then she can fly. Yeah, so there's a few balloons on here. Stuff. Sorry if I'm kind of rushing this. I don't have much time left on the camera. Yeah, the battery's about to die. So, and here's a plate of donuts that goes on her head. And then the basket of letters. Pink invitations for her party. And yeah. And now we just have a normal Pinkie Pie. Yeah, there's nothing special about her. She just has the scanner thing, and yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna be right back and delete some stuff off of my camera so that I have more time to film this. So yeah, be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I have more storage on here so I can record more. Yay! And yeah, so yeah, just showed you Pinkie Pie, and now let's go. Wait, no. I'm probably gonna turn her into a bubbleberry, but I really like her. But, so I already have this Pinkie Pie who already has the curly hair that I like, and I don't want to get rid of her either. So yeah, I don't have a bubbleberry. Probably seen him, but I'll just show you what happened to him. Yeah, that's Bubbleberry now. He's a girl. And I'm gonna put this one back down here. And let's move on to the set. Yay. So yeah, it has a little handle up here that has the logo on it. The MellowPuff logo. And on the back of the handle it has a horseshoe with a heart in the middle. It has this little pretty design on the sides. Yeah, and on the front it has these two windows where you can actually see inside of them. Then a donut on top, and then a door that doesn't actually open, and two windows that you can't see inside. It's just black. So yes, Pinkie Pie's cupcake layer. Okay, so yeah, let's just on the back it just has some stuff that you can see inside, and donut. It's not colored at all, and let's not speak about that side. So yeah, let's just open it up. Whoa. Yeah, it has tables and like it's way too small for Pinkie Pie, and like, yeah. So yeah, I can just imagine. Yeah, some tables and more tables and chairs, and here's the windows that you can see inside, and it has this green pattern on the front. I know it's kind of glary because of my lamp, but yeah. And then this side, it's the actual donut bakery. These are really small, as you can see. My finger against it. Then yeah, Pinkie Pie. Oh my gosh, she's so big. Get some stuff. So yeah, and it has this little floor area here. Oops, I hit my camera, sorry. And yeah, and on the top it's just plain pink. I never realized how much pink this actually has. What the crap, Hasbro? What the crap? Why is there so much pink? Anyway, so that was the bakery. Yeah. Let me show you something. Yeah, I can fit everything, and you can carry it around. But like, where would you go with this? Where do you go with this? Ugh. You know what? I'm gonna show you how good Hasbro used to be at making these houses. Like, this is really boutique. Like, it is so much bigger and better because it's like there's so much more detail and stuff, and like on the inside it's like, you can actually use it for building it. Yeah, it's just this back up on the shelf. And yeah, you're gonna be set free. Yay! So yeah guys, this was Pinkie Pie's Donut Shop. And I hope you guys enjoyed this toy review, and this will probably be uploaded after Christmas, since this was originally my Christmas present for my parents, but my mom didn't want to wrap it, so yeah, I got this on the 23rd, which is today, but it will probably be like after Christmas by the time you guys see this, so yeah. And also, you'll probably see this afterwards because I'm editing it's like at the time I'm recording this video, I am editing my Christmas special. Yay! So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye!
This is Doughnut, back together. And I'm never going down at the hands of the likes of you, because I'm so much better. And every part of me is saying go get her. The two of us ain't gonna follow your rules. Come at me without any of your fancy tools. Let's go, just me and you.